Hi, it's me. Regarding your question about the grill gazebo PowerPort and if it's a hardwire or has a three-prong connection, it has a three-prong and it plugs into a 110 volt outlet. Here's a quick look from the side. The power cable runs through a channel through the back of the PowerPort. It's only about 12 to 18 inches long. I have it connected to an outdoor extension cord hidden under the counter. Here's the GA5 plug that I have it plugged into with the extension cord. The main video was kind of dark. Here's a good look at the PowerPort in daylight. Hope this helps. Let me know if you have any other questions in the comments. Thanks, stay safe, and God bless.